you have clients in here, you're not having a danger as a trip hazard. I can't imagine how many times I've been wrapped up around a piece of equipment by now.
Exactly.
Half a dozen times, I'm sure. And then all you do there is spend a load of time discombobulating a knotty up, ratted up mess. Or this way, positive cleaning time, so you're paying for cleaning rather than paying for untangling a cord. Which, by the way, you have to replace because they always wreck them anyway. And cords at $50 a craft, they're going to get old too. Replacing that.
Well,